Come take a look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts an engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, remote keyless entry, door locks, power, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, cruise control, electronic, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing SV flex fuel with active fuel management, emissions override, federal, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington State. Requirements: audio system, AM/FM stereo, trailering package, heavy-duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.